For more than a century, Hamilton has been synonymous with the steel industry, but the city now finds itself on the front line of a trade war. In March, all Canadian steel and aluminium exports to the US, a sector worth around $35 billion a year, was subject to a 25% tariff. The impacts of that are already being felt. At plants across Canada, orders have been cancelled and hundreds of workers have been laid off. At the nearby Rankin's Bar and Grill, business has already taken a hit.
The concern is the people of Hamilton are buckling up a little bit. They're spending, and that trickles down to the restaurant, the hospitality business. And a lot of people are just watching their dollars right now. Those kinds of impacts, you feel it. You feel it for sure.
A little further along Lake Ontario, in Toronto, there is little doubt about what concerns voters the most.
If we keep those tariffs, everything in Canada would become more expensive. A lot of people in Canada might lose their jobs.
The key issue is Trump and economics. The stronger we can be internally, get rid of the interprovincial barriers to trade, strengthen our ties with other like-minded nations, and the more we can build a robust economy, the better off we're going to be in the long run.
This has been an unprecedented campaign season. The US tariffs, as well as threats by the US President Donald Trump to annex Canada, has led to one of the sharpest polling shifts in election history. At the start of the year, Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre had a lead of more than 20 points in the polls, but that has been wiped out by the Liberal Party, thanks in part to a change of leadership with Mark Carney replacing Justin Trudeau, but also because of the attacks on Canada's sovereignty amid a trade war.
It's a transformational moment. We've gone through the looking glass. There's chaos on the agenda for the next 3.5 years. None of the old economic rules are holding in this moment. Guaranteed, we are in a recession. Forget about will we be in a recession. We're in a recession right now. The only question is how deep and how long. And the question mark is, can we recreate the Canadian economy without the handmaiden of the United States? And that is a question mark for anybody. Where's the crown?
This is an election contest that has been turned on its head. But communities like Hamilton will be hoping that, whatever party wins, the leader can somehow find a way to protect their jobs and businesses. Dan Williams, CGTN, Hamilton, Canada.